Do you know the three factors that determine your happiness and well being? I'm Dr. Amory, Simich therapist for over 20 years and owner of a community counseling center, here to offer you tips on living life well. Hundreds of millions of dollars has gone into research to determine what leads to happiness and well being. We have studied everything from money to relationships, the types of jobs that we have. And we now know the factors that are correlated to well being. There's three of them, and they're broken down into percentages. The first is about 10 to 15%. It's our circumstances, which I was surprised by. 10 to 15% is not a lot when you consider people spend their lives saying, oh, if I had a better job, then I'd be happy, or if I had a partner or a better partner, then I'd be happy. But our circumstances are only 10 to 15% related to our happiness and well being level. So it has an impact for sure, but not as much as you would think. The next two factors are divided evenly, so about 40 to 50%, 40 to 50%. Second factor is our genetics. That means we're born with a certain blueprint. If our parents struggled with depression and have lower levels of serotonin and dopamine, we may inherit that genetic blueprint. This doesn't mean we have to be depressed. It means we may have to do things a little differently than someone who's born from parents with high levels of serotonin. And the good news is that we know there's certain supplements and or medications that can help adjust neurotransmitter balance, making it easier to feel contentment. The third factor, and the factor we focus on a lot in counseling, is what we do with our minds. It's what we focus on. Our minds are extremely powerful. If we are repetitively thinking thoughts that are stressful, we will feel stress. If we are incessantly having worry thoughts, we're going to feel anxiety. If we're thinking about something we perceive as sad, we will feel sad. On the other hand, if we're thinking happier thoughts or we're focused on our gratitudes, we feel happier. The good news is that there is a way to heal and shift our perceptions, our beliefs, and our thought patterns, and make space for more joy and contentment. Just know the mind is very powerful. Be aware of what you're thinking about. It has a profound effect on how you feel and how you do life. Having more mental and emotional awareness is an important step to shifting what you focus on and create space for a path of living life well.